Subscribe to TechEmpty by clicking the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to get all my latest awesome tech video updates. Hello YouTube, this is Praveen for TechEmpty. Here is the unboxing video of world's smallest gimbal by DJI called Osmo Pocket. As you can see, this is only compatible with the smartphones having Lightning port or the USB Type-C port. There is no extra connector available for micro USB. So if you don't have an iPhone or an Android smartphone with USB Type-C, then this is not for you. And to activate the device, you need to download the Mimo app from the respective stores. Also, the Mimo app is compatible with these iPhones only. Let me tear the seal now to see what are all the contents that we get within the package. Here we have some paperwork about the Osmo Shield, and we need to purchase it separately. And to learn more about the device, you can visit these DJI websites. The box is made up of cardboard, not the plastic. There we have the DJI logo at the bottom. Once opened, we'll see the smallest DJI Osmo Pocket along with the carrying case. This is too tiny, and you can feel some weight when you hold it for the first time. It measures about 3 inches and the height of my index finger. Also, you can operate the gimbal manually. This won't affect any kind of operation, and it was designed to adjust the head manually. Should see how it performs in real life conditions while shooting some videos or photos. I'll link them at the end of this video. Do check it out. And apart from the device itself, we here have the carrying case to safely carry the Osmo Pocket. Inside it, we have a cable and few connectors. Let me open them. So we have a Lightning port adapter and a USB Type-C adapter to connect Osmo Pocket to the smartphone. And we also have a USB Type-C cable to charge the device. Also, inside the case we have a silicon crystal pack, a strap to the case, and a couple of instruction booklets. The case is made up of hard plastic and it will protect the Osmo Pocket very well. Now let us see the specifications in detail. To the front we have a tiny 1x2.3 inch sensor with a fixed f2.0 lens, a 1-inch touch display, microphone, and control buttons. To one side we have a micro SD card slot, and to the bottom we have a microphone and the Type-C charging port. This device is powered with 875 mAh battery with an operating time of 140 minutes. Let me power on the device. You can see here, it will first calibrate the head of the gimbal when you power it up. And let me show you the options that Osmo Pocket have. When you swipe left, you will have different modes like photo, video, slow-mo, time-lapse, and pano. You can choose whichever you need. And when you swipe up, you will have some options like to recenter the gimbal, gimbal to selfie mode and to normal mode, change from slow follow to fast follow, change between tilt lock, first person view, and follow modes. And when you swipe right, you can view the clips that you took with Osmo. You can play back them right here, but you won't get audio out. Also, you can delete the clips right from the screen. And when you swipe down, you do have the settings to view your battery, etc., picture size, focus modes like AFS to AFC, Pro mode, and brightness of the touchscreen. Now you can see the samples that was taken with the DJI Osmo Pocket. Hello everyone, this is a video with Osmo Pocket with active TrackOn. So now the resolution is 1080p 25 frames per second, and with active TrackOn, this is tracking my face now, and the audio is directly recording with the Osmo Pocket. So you can judge the quality of both audio and the video. Despite some of its limitations like no picture profiles, not particularly great in mixed light, it doesn't handle highlights particularly well, I really like the Osmo Pocket. It's just a really cool product. The size, convenience factor, and capabilities of the Osmo Pocket makes you forget about what it can't do and reminds you what it can do. It's a capable device that I think a lot of shooters will buy just to keep in their kit. I like to think of it as a nice emergency camera that I can keep in my pocket or a bag and pull out in a situations where I need to shoot something that isn't possible with another camera. So what do you think? Are you going with Osmo Pocket or GoPro 7? Let me know in the comment section down below. Till then, this is Praveen signing off. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.